Right, I've previously made a video about this, but I made a slight mistake with it, which I'm now going to attempt to correct. So, this vehicle happens to be a Ford Transit diesel. Just put my profile in on Forscan. So now it's going to do its little searches and find the modules. What I need is the IPC module when it comes up. It takes a little while to find that one. And it's about to do it now. It should be the next one. Yeah, IPC module. So, yeah, configuration and programming. IPC module as built format. Then you press this little go button down here. Play. And here we go. Now, this is what I want. I've previously found out that 720-1801 refers to the seatbelt chimes. So I've set them to 000s all the way across, then press right. It was previously on Fs all the way across. This one, 720-1701, I thought I'd sorted it out, but I set it to all zeros. I thought it had worked because I was trying to knock off the seatbelt warning light, but what it actually did, because I don't drive this vehicle very often, very rarely actually, I've only recently found out it actually knocked off all the dash lights. So I'm going to reset that to what it was, which is all Fs. That's how it was originally set. So what I'm going to do is leave that on zeros as a means of a process of elimination to get through this as quickly as possible, to find out which exact one, which digit refers to the seatbelt warning light. So I'm going to write that. So this has got to come off and then go back on. So now what is happening is, when I turn the ignition on, these two weren't coming on before, so I'm getting towards it. Now, 1701. What I'm going to do is, one at a time, knock these back to zeros. So what I've done there is actually leave the first one at 0 and the rest at Fs. It wants putting to right first. Working through it again. Then turn the ignition off. Then back on. Ah, now we've got the seatbelt warning light is on. So if I knock that back to F, right, that then can go to F. And then we'll try the second one at 0. See what happens then. Right, that. Now, ignition off, back on again. No seatbelt warning light, and as quick as that, I think I've sorted it. I'm just going to take the van out quickly and check. Okay, so that's a success. We've got no seatbelt warning light going on, and all my regular dash lights are back on, including, because I got no indicator warning lights previously, although the indicators themselves were actually working. So all sorted.